This is a common issue that usually happens when Xbox servers are down or when there are problems connecting to Xbox Live. If you check Twitter, Xbox support forums, or even Reddit, you'll notice plenty of users reporting the same problem. It's widespread and not specific to your device. That being said, there are a few things you can try while waiting for Microsoft to fix it. First, restart your console or PC along with your router, then attempt the download again. For some people, this simple restart has resolved the issue. Another workaround is to use the Xbox app to download the game instead of doing it directly from the console. Several users have reported that this method worked for them. However, if neither of these steps helps, the best option is simply to wait a few hours. Since the issue is on Xbox's end, it usually gets resolved automatically once their servers are back to normal. So to sum it up, restart your devices, try the Xbox app as an alternative, and if it still doesn't work, just be patient. The error is not unique to you, it's a widespread server issue.